Hello everyone, it's May 26th. Alright, last night was pretty good. Last night we did a difficult one, right? We chose to go for a difficult one and surprisingly got it to work. I mean, honestly, that difficult question is not really that hard. So it's understandable that with a little bit of thinking, we're able to handle this. So today, I already opened up. So today, the problem, okay, I need to open the problem. So the first problem is easy. So we're gonna do it fast, and I open up two more. So it's going to be a good day. All right, let's see. I think this might be a new one. Oh, I've done it before. All right, so what's this? Number of steps to reduce a number to 0. Given an integer, then the number of steps returns to 0, and one step if the current number is even. You have to divide it by 2. Otherwise, you have to subtract it from 1. So 14, you have to divide by 2 to have strength, and then, yeah. Okay, so we want to find the total number of steps. All right, let's just, code it, get it done, call it a day. So this from yesterday, right? This one's actually done. All right. So I have been trying to limit the amount of like up, down, left, right keys that I use, but it's still pretty difficult to constrain everything to the ones that's legitimate in Vim. It's tough. But anyway, when I say while num, if num, right, if it's even, no, that's odd, right? Otherwise, num divided equal to 2. And then rest plus equal 1. Turn rest. Okay, so nope. What we need to do is to find. So yeah, this is the thing that I don't. Oh, actually, this one might be good. Wait, why I cannot? I can go up and down, but I cannot go left and right. Huh. Interesting. Hold on, I can go up. Why it goes down? Yeah, it's just, I don't know. Anyway, 14 is 6. Yeah, so this is one thing that's really bothering me. If I want to go, I have to. You see, it's inside and on one side, so I need to go to the other side. So one way to do is I will cancel it, move it here, and it has 3 keystrokes. I'd like to make it. I like to make it much less. Now I like this. CIW, I like this a lot. Now what are you doing, man? Num and answer. Alright, and then go down, CIW, not CIST, CIW, I like CIW. CIW is very, very good. And then here I can say CI this, I'll go num. Right, and then we can say from 5, and we select everything. And then we submit. Okay, that's about it. What other method did we use? Turn into a binary string. Count number of zeros. Yep. Count number of ones. Yeah, because number of ones, it has to double, right? With number of ones, they will be removed as one step. It becomes 0. 0 has to be removed as another step. So, yeah, but this is the, I guess it will be the same. Yeah, it's exactly the same. Do we have more test cases this time? 204, nah, it's the same. That's fine. Doesn't matter. Man, the food at my internship is really nice. Really, really good. So the plan is I ate a lot these days. So the plan is to might as well take advantage of it, right? To bulk up. Right? Seriously, I want to bulk up. Maybe we can try go to 170. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I can hit another PR on all the lifts indoors. That'll be fun. All right, how about this one? Count prefixes of a given string. You're given a string array and a string s, where words I and s lowercase letters return the number of strings in words that are prefix of s. Prefix of a string is a substring that occurs at the beginning of the string. Okay, yeah, so this one is A, AB, and ABC. This is AA. Okay, so what we can do is definitely we can count this, and then, yep, we have a solution for this. So we're gonna do, this is what, 2255. Not too hard. This one is not hard at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna say from collections import counter, okay? And then go to here, we say counter equals counter words, okay? And then, oh, how big is S? Oh, S dot length is 10. Ah, definitely. So for I in range to len S, right? And the rest, maybe we don't need to do this. Maybe we can. No, just say return some counter counter S to I plus 1. Or just so to I for I in range 1 to this plus 1. Okay. Something is not right. I think I don't have the matching. Oh, Jesus. There we go. Okay. So, yeah, it still takes time. That's the thing. It still takes time to be more proficient on how these commands are going. I haven't finished the book yet. Yeah, I don't think this is the right way to do it. I shall just type, right? But this, I really like this. Wait, hold on. What happened? S equal to. Oh, okay. So we go to next. And then we say, I like to say D till this. Go next and dot. Okay. And then we go here. And then CIW, words, and S. Go down, CIW, count, no, count, CIW, words, and S. Okay, 6, call this. Alright. Okay, so that's about it. I'm gonna take a look. Starts with starts with I forgot about starts with. So what would you do? So we're gonna say for W in words, right? And then I'm gonna say S dot starts with, hold on, starts with this, right? And then turn sum. Okay. So and this is the solution. Only 215. One line. Maybe it's faster. It's the same. All right, let's go for the next one. Minimum average distance. You're given a zero-indexed array of length n. The average difference of the index I is the absolute difference between the average of the first I plus 1 elements and the average of the last n minus I minus 1. Both averages should be rounded down to the nearest integer. So nearest integer. Nearest integer. So should we use round for that? No, rounded down. So just int or floor. Minimum average difference. Hold on. So the first I, so the of index I. So let's say 5 is just 2, 5, 3, 9, 5, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the index. Alright, so what it says is the average difference at the index I is the absolute difference between the average of the first I plus 1, so first 3, and the average of the last, so this is 6 values. 6 minus 2 is 4 minus 1 is 3. So just the first I plus 1 and the last I plus 1. Yeah, definitely. So the average of the first this minus absolute difference between the average of the first and the average of the last. Index with a minimum average difference. If they are multiple, such in return the smallest one. So, I mean, prefix sum, right? We can use prefix sum So we can just very easily compute, and then everything will be O1 to compute. Yeah, we'll use prefix sum. Yeah, I don't care if it's not optimal, but I think I don't see why it's not optimal. It's going to be ON, so I think it is optimal. I mean, we can actually check on the, yeah, 10 to the 5th, definitely, we need ON. We need from it tools, port accumulate, right? So we say pre-sum equals list accumulate nums, right? And then we say res, we need the minimum. So res equal to, we say import math and math.inf. Actually, no. We actually gonna be s index equals this. Doesn't matter, -1. And then we say for I range len nums. So the current will be pre-sum I. So that's the first, right? This one divided by a number. So that's going to be I plus 1. So we're not going to use this. Minus pre-sum a -1 minus pre-sum I. Yeah. So we're going to do this divided by, let's do this, n equals len nums, and then we're gonna say C into, no, C find this, n, right? Down, go to the end, that can be n minus I minus 1, that's the total number. So it's this minus this and absolute value. So when I say current D, why do absolute difference? It shouldn't be S. It should be diff, right? And then on 13, Control C, 13, D equals ABS. I'm pretty sure we don't have to go, hold on, ABS. Okay, now we just say if D is smaller than diff equals D, index equals I. And return index. Okay, so we have this 3, should be 0. This can be nums then it's going to be minimum average. Integer division by 0. I mean, we start from 0 and all the way to I if it's the last one is n minus 1. Right, n minus 1, so that's that. And what about the last one? We just consider it becomes 0, okay? So therefore, what we have to do is minus this if, right? If I is smaller than n minus 1, so not equal to n minus 1, else just gonna be 0. Yeah. Didn't check any edge cases. Ugh. How? All right, I probably check it around. Let's treat this one again. Oh, it's the index is 0. We'll achieve. Huh? What the heck? Doesn't make any sense, huh? Let's see. Let's print D and I, and at the end, let's print also the pre-sum. How is that 0? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 15 divided by 5, that's 3, right? Now it's 4, so shall be 3. What goes wrong? Oh, hold on. Maybe it's because I forgot to add this. Wait, hold a sec. That didn't make any sense. Oh, okay. So this one doesn't exist, and we do need to add this. We need to add another one here. Oh. Man, no way. We have to add yet another parentheses. Yeah, so this divided by this, that needs a parentheses. And I need yet another parentheses. You see, sometimes this is just the reason why I don't like this tertiary experience. You know what? I don't like it. Don't like it at all. So what we're gonna do is we delete. Say this divided by this. So we're gonna find the next this. Alright, so we don't need this. Divided by, and then we're gonna say multiplied by I not equal to this. Like that. Nope. We do have to use this convoluted thing. Okay, so we need to add this, and we can add this. Okay. Yeah, the solution works. It's just syntax-wise to work on it a little bit. Should be prefix sum, right? Yeah, prefix sum. 01 space. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you can do 01 space. You can do 01. Actually, we can get it. So we don't need this, right? So what do we need is the total sum. I'm going to say left, right, LR equal to nums 0 and sum nums 1 to the end, right? And then this is fine, and then we just say so this is going to be diff is going to be abs l minus r, right? Index can be 0, and then this we're going to say from 1 to n. Okay, so this is going to be, so we're going to update the value. So we'll say l plus equal to nums I and r minus equal to nums I. Okay, and then here we're going to say, no, we're not going to say this. What we're going to say is L divided by this minus change until there's no until. Oh, we can repeat. There we go. So now this is going to be R divided by n minus I shouldn't delete this one, plus 1, right? We say if I, else and be 0. So cannot escape, I still have to have another one. Then why is this not right? Oh, because I forgot. Divided by n minus 1. Holy guacamole. You know what? You know what? No. Let's not do it this way. Let's do it. Change, find this. Left is 0, and change, find this. Okay, and then this one we're gonna do the same. This can be math.inf, this can be -1, doesn't matter. And then, yeah. So we're gonna do this. That's still not right. So left plus equal to the first one, and then left divided by this minus right divided by n minus I think it's -1. -1. There we go. Oh well, doesn't matter. So this one, what should we say? Prefix. This is O1 space, ON time, and O1 space. Pretty slow. What was the good solution? is the same. So can use prefix sum, but this method is does not even need to set up a prefix sum array. For whatever reason, the actual runtime is quite slow. I don't know why. You know what? I think it's just too many comparisons. So what we can do is go to a -1. Then this is just gonna be delete this, delete this. Actually, I don't even need this. So we can say delete to the end, and then this delete. Oh man, this is just formatting. It just takes so long because I'm not familiar with. So how are we gonna format this? I'm gonna say delete to the front. Okay, so we'll go here, say delete to front, and then this similar thing here. We go to the front and we say delete into R, and then go up, and then go to the end, this and this, go down, delete this, right? And then we're gonna say return index if, so we're gonna want if d larger than oh, do we need to get a sum again? L plus, hold on, L plus nums -1 divided by n, else if d is smaller. So this is smaller, else smaller equal to, right? If that is smaller, then we say else return n -1. Variable d. No, it's diff. It's not d. Diff. Okay, so this I believe shall be faster because we are doing only one if and else. Yep, it's because of it. Lots of if and else causing the speed to go down. Okay, we're done. So overall, the problem is not hard, but the amount of editing in Vim is taking a lot of toll. But I believe this is the critical moment. Last time I gave up at this stage where things just got so clunky, I just don't like it. And I go back to the up, down, left, and right, those arrow keys. But this time, I'm gonna stick with it. I'm gonna keep using HJKL, and keep using all these commands, and hopefully one day they all become like second nature. All right, that will be it for today. I think we did it within an hour, 40 minutes. It's good. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Adios.